Just look at this grill before. What a great steam cleaner, right? Hi, Frank George here to show the whole set of items that you get with this great steam cleaner. This is the BEAMNOVA electric handheld high temperature and high pressure steam cleaning system. So here's what you get. Number one, the steam machine with tank. One steam pipe, one power cord that's grounded, one extension nozzle, one steel brush, and one plastic brush, and one really large plastic brush, and a user manual. It's super easy to assemble. Just plug in the power cord, put in your tip, and select the brush that you want. In this case, for the grill, it's the steel brush. Now we'll fill the tank with water. This is the on-off switch and your pressure level. It's a simple knob that you turn the pressure from low to high. You can also put a splash of detergent, or I like to put a splash of vinegar inside the tank as well. The tank holds 1.2 liters of fluid, and this unit will save you more water than traditional hand wash cleaning. The unit is really portable and compact, and it's got a long enough line to get into any area, and it's designed really strong and durable as well. The tank is large enough to hold a sufficient amount of liquid to tackle any job. You can clean your stove, your car, your bathtub, your sink, beautifully clean. You'll go from dirty to clean each and every time because it has a powerful 2,500 watts to generate steam of up to 220 degrees Fahrenheit in 15 seconds. Get yourself one today and eliminate grease and grime and dust and stains from a wide variety of surfaces. And you'll love to know that it's completely chemical free with no harmful fumes or residue. If you like clean like I do, you'll love the BEAMNOVA steam cleaning machine, and it makes a great gift idea too.